this icon, the T icon, the fourth icon from the left at the bottom of your screen. This will allow you to create sticky notes, okay? And you'll see to create sticky notes, once you've created a sticky note, you can select it and move it, just like Ben explained. And if you type enter on your keyboard, you can then type anything you want.
All right. So yeah, because this is a collaborative tool, I can do exactly the same as a student. And here, for the sake of the example, we're going to show you guys a very rudimentary letter tile system. So Xavier is going to create a bunch of vowels, one sticky note per vowel. I'm going to create a bunch of consonants, and we're going to create a little letter tile system and show you how that would work. So I'm going to go ahead and create, I don't know, 4 vowels here, maybe 5 would be more interesting. And I'm going to say this is C, this is D, no particular order, it doesn't really matter. This is just for the example.
To make your life easier, you actually can copy paste by using this 5th icon here, which allows you to copy and paste.
Yeah. I'm going to help Xavier here.
Thank you.
Okay, we just need you, and we're good with the vowels. Can you create it, please?
Yep, I got it.
Okay. Thank you. And now, Xavier, can you please draw a beautiful, I need 3 boxes in the middle.
All right, I'm pretty happy with my box number 1, box number 2, and box number 3. No. All right, this will do. So what Ben wanted to show you is that we can now do exercise, and I think it's called blending drill, where you basically ask your student to spell things. For instance,
but before you do that,
go ahead, Ben.
Sorry, before we start the exercise, Xavier, because we worked so hard building this beautiful letter tile system, blending drill exercise, I would like you, Xavier is going to want to save this work so he can retrieve it later. Xavier, can you do that?
That's a very good point. I don't want to have to do all this work again. So look carefully at my screen here. As a teacher, if I click on the bottom right icon, those gear settings, the second from the bottom says save class, right? And if I click on save class here, I'm going to be able to save this environment, you know? So I'm going to save as new class, and I'm going to say blending drill whiteboard, and save it by clicking on this little icon here. And this will allow me later to load that environment. So if you have first grader, second grader, third grader, you're teaching literacy, math, etc., you can save multiple environments for each of your groups of students. And starting on Friday, you'll even be able to share those environments with your friends.
Xavier, can you put us focus mode on that board here that you created?
Yeah.
Thank you. Now we can start the exercise. Tell me a word that I should write, Xavier.
Please spell cat.
Cat. Okay. So as a student, I could use the cursor tool. Xavier, can you point to the cursor tool at the bottom here, which looks like a mouse cursor, to move the tiles? I could do this. The problem with doing this is that you lose the original tile, which you might want to reuse over and over again. So you can ask your student to use the copy paste tool instead, which is, can you point at it? It's the plus with the boxes. You can ask your student to click on that, and then once they have this, they can click on a tile and then click again for where they want it to move or to copy. Okay, so here I'm going to click on A, and then click again in the middle box, and then here I'm going to click on T, and then click again in the right box. So just like this, in, I don't know, about 5 minutes, Xavier and I created a letter tile system, and we did the first blending drill exercise.